The mother to the victim brought her to police for custody, having disappeared a number of times from home and refusal to go to school. And they eventually agreed with the police post to keep the girl. To them, they thought to help or scare her not to disappear from home again. But the following day, the mother came back for the same victim. When she came, on reaching home, she started narrating how the police officer sexually abused her. The mother came back to police. She narrated the story to the OC, who immediately took action, in which he charged the police officer Mukasa with defilement, actually aggravated defilement, and immediately he was detained. And at the moment is at CPS Kamuli. Anytime we shall be taking him to court to answer appropriate charges. This kind of accountability in doing our work is necessary to show the public that we cannot condone criminality. We do not condone criminality, even when you belong to us. You face that just like any other person. It sends a message to the public to continue building confidence that we cannot look on. Even when our own are misbehaving, we take action.